First, we'll talk about the advanced. So vCloud automations that are advanced gives you integration with third parties. So whether it's API driven, whether it's through agents, you get that with the advanced version. Whereas the standard version only integrates with some of the built-in options, not so much on the third-party integrations. Next, you get integration with external provisioning tools. So maybe you use something like a BMC or Remedy or ServiceNow that has external ways of tracking tickets and doing provisioning. Well, vCloud Automation Center Advanced can actually integrate with those and provide two-way communication. So it can push things to those tools to do provisioning or pull back information so it understands once that's already completed, you can understand, what do we need to do next or where we are in the process. You also get the multi-tenancy features that I talked about, so being able to split the portal based on user groups or roles, and you get those rich approval workflows. You don't get that in the standard version. And then lastly, you get ITBM integration. So remember I just talked about the cloud costing and the different cost models and breakdowns of OS licensing and hardware. You get that integration with Advanced. Now with the enterprise version, you get some additional options as well. So you get all the features that Advanced provides you, as well as the standard platform. But you also get DevOps integration. So you get things like working with continuous integration systems and some of the more advanced developer tools it can integrate with. You also get provisioning of application services through vFabric Application Director. Now, this is something where instead of just provisioning the operating system or the VM, you're actually going to the application level and doing specific configurations, maybe like Oracle or web server deployment. It really gets granular and kind of picks up where an OS template might leave off. You also get day 2 application maintenance. So when we say day 1 and day 2, right? So day 1 is more provision it, get it up and running. Day 2 is, a week later or, a month later, I need to do maintenance to that application. I need to upgrade it or patch it or update a template, right? You get that kind of maintenance options across all the different workflows or blueprint items that you've deployed. That's what Enterprise gets you. And it also gets you integration with configuration management solutions. So maybe like an Infoblox or other pieces that have CMDBs and keep those configurations enterprise wide. We can integrate with those as well.